Hey Shopify owner, shoppers now ask AI like ChatGPT full questions. Best eco backpack for commuting, or phone case under $50, not short keywords. These AI systems don't just list links anymore. They analyze content, synthesize answers, and even recommend specific products and brands. If your store isn't ready for this AI-driven search world, you risk being invisible when buyers are most ready to act. That's where StoreSEO comes in, an AI SEO agent built to future-proof your Shopify store. StoreSEO's AI blog generator creates SEO-optimized blog posts for you, complete with keywords and product links, so you can publish AI-friendly content in minutes, not hours. AI search loves fresh, helpful content, but writing it all yourself is slow. With StoreSEO, you can generate and manage an llms.txt file in a few clicks, like a cheat sheet that tells AI crawlers how to discover, interpret, and recommend your pages and products. StoreSEO has SEO Schema feature for products, reviews, prices, FAQs, and availability, so your items can show rich details like ratings and pricing in search and AI-powered results, instantly boosting trust and clicks. Without structured data, your products blend into generic listings. The future of search is AI-powered. Get ahead and install StoreSEO today to boost your Shopify store's visibility, traffic, and sales.